Guys, it's a bit noisy. We are on site, and it's a mabati which we are installing. So the iron sheets normally come with a lot of noise, and actually it's pretty morning. So I just want to show you of what we are doing now. We are finishing up the installation of the iron sheet in this our mabati house. So I want to show you around, though it's going to be a bit noisy, but I hope I'm going to manage. Okay, then the way you have seen, this is the mabati house which we've been working on in Homabay County. It's just pretty close to the lake. The lake is down here, and it's just pretty left around the lake. So you've seen this house from the beginning, and I just want to show you around. And before I go inside and do a bit of explanation, there are pretty a lot of things that maybe I should tell you about. So I want you to see it from the outside, because we have like two areas we can go through that. Though there's another homestead around there or at the behind, and also we have another one this side. So I just want to go through, and like you can see, this is a very nice house. Comparing this house with whatever we have here, you can see a lot of mabati houses around. But if you compare this with those ones, this is standing out. It stands out in terms of the quality, in terms of even the height. It's higher than any other normal houses here. Which those are the things which brings the quality of this. Sorry. So you can see what we have done here is that we are trying to make sure that there is no room for any mistakes. So that's the reason why you see you've done also. We did this before. We did the gutters before, just to make sure then when you are installing the iron sheets, so they will just fall in. So you can see how it looks very nice. So the way the finishing around it there, it's pretty cool. So from that angle, so I'm trying to give you the view from this. So you can see the height of this house and this house. This is a permanent house. So the height of this and this is totally different. This is higher. And that's one thing which we normally need to know during this rainy season, and also during those when there is a lot of heat. So the higher roofs will eventually be accommodative. It will be accommodate everyone, because even if you don't have the gypsum inside, at least there's a circulation of air. So this is from the look from the behind. So this gray mabati is a gray, but it looks more of greenish. I don't know why. It's a gray supplied from the Royal Mabati, and it's gloss, not matte. And one thing which I can as well appreciate and also admit is that comparing the two, comparing the glossy finish and also the matte finish, I think I can go with the matte finish. The matte finish, if you see the houses that we have done using the matte finish, they look more beautiful, they look more attractive than when we are using this gloss. So for example, like this one, it doesn't come that good to me. If I compare the two, the house is done well, but now if I compare the look, the finished look, and also of a matte finished house, when you use the matte finished iron sheet, and when you are using this gloss, somehow the matte finish looks better. So I think from now on, because I've compared the houses which we have done using the matte finish on the wall, and those who have done these ones, the matte finish looks more beautiful. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to recommend to a number when we are doing another project. So I'll be recommending the, sorry, I'm almost falling. Okay. Sorry. So this is also the look from this side. There's a lot of plantations here, don't worry, because I'm trying just to get a better view from this. But there's a lot of plantation from this end, so you can't really see the wall, but you can see from the other side. So like I've been saying, if you compare the two, I think I'll always go with matte finish. If you see like the house that we did in the UK, it was done using the matte finished iron sheet. It looked more beautiful. It looked more attractive even from the distance itself. But this one, because there's a lot of reflections, so it doesn't bring that aesthetic which to me I'm looking for because of the reflections. This one. So I think when it is cool, no, there's no the sun rays, then I think maybe it's going to look better. But just to give you my thoughts, I think next time I'll just go for the matte finished full. So this is from the neighbor. We have a dog there. Yeah. 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 So this also from the outside, how you can view it from here. This is the fence between the neighbor and that compound, the guy I'm working for. So this how it looks like. So these are the few iron sheets which are remaining here. You can see this. We ordered gray, but it looks more greenish like than yellow. I don't know. This the Royal Mabati guys should explain because there's type of gray which I was in my mind, but whatever they supplied here is not that grayish that we are looking for. The quality of the Mabati is okay, but now whatever we were looking for was that gray. But anyway, we have to admit we have to work with what we have. And another thing which also happened when we were being supplied, we wanted this house to have like two different colors. We wanted the roof to have a brick red. Then on the ground we have this gray. But this guy, this is have to complain about the Moral Mabati. They did tell us that they don't have those ones. They said they have everything that we have, the colors which we chose. Then when we had made payments, now the red brick is not available. The gray, the other gray now is also not available. What one we have is this gray. So we had made the payment. Now we were supposed to wait until for at least 2 months. That's how they told me that we are supposed to wait for at least 2 months. So 2 months to me was hiyo ilikuwa mbali sana sababu we are also working on with the timeline. We can't wait for that. And also, you know, the timber, if you just leave the timber there for next 2 months and also it's raining, so most of them will warp because of the material which we are using. And again, from the other view, it's not going to be accommodative even if you are working with time. So we have an option of and we're getting what they have. So what they had is this, and also there was another color, green. So the green was not what we wanted. So we said, okay, let's give us that gray. But this is not the theme of what we wanted. We had planned to have. So they messed up. I have to admit that. And also had told them that they have messed us up. So this is what I informed them immediately because we have made the payment. The details on how you want to refund the money so that we can go and buy somewhere else. Now hiyo tena ni kazi ngumu sababu you have to go through what and wait for how many days. So all of those ones is like the lady just wanted to make the sale. and she managed to make the sale, and now we have to deal with it. So that's a complaint that I have from I have from my side to the company. That's not good how to tell your client, because I've been buying from them for a while, and now I know. I will just make sure to do my due diligence more and make sure that we get the right thing. Anyway, let's concentrate on the house. So we have an issues with some issues with here. But again, before then I start talking about the issues, you see the finishing that we are doing here, the finishing that we are doing here, that it looks more beautiful, it looks more authentic, and it brings the beauty of this house. So this house, somehow you can see how it looks like. There is no windows, there is no doors. There's a reason why we did that. Normally, you guys know, those who have been following me, I don't really do these ones. I don't really do the wall irons before we do the doors and the windows. But now there is an issue which sometimes you have to admit when things are not working well, it's not working well. So that's the reason why we have done everything. You don't see the windows, you don't see the doors we have, but we don't see the windows. This is because of the situation which we cannot avoid at the moment, but those ones will do better, because this house will, when we do the finishing, you will be amazed. Like here we have a dummy window on top of that one. We have a dummy window. Then here also we have like you see this, the area where they have left here should not be sealed. It's having a grill. We have a window there. So those ones will come later. There's a lot of things which we are going to come later. So from the sides of this house, also we have a number of, you have a window somewhere here, then I have another window from there. Well, you can see how we raised this house from the ground. Yeah, we done well. So this hapa ilikuwa shamba, ndio maana unaona ndizi ndio hii na grow hapa. Tena unaona ile zingine ndio hiyo na grow pale. Kuna miwa pia hapo. So ilikuwa imejengwa kwa maji kwa shamba. So hizo tutazitoa tu with time. So also you can see this is the back. This is the back of the house. So the back of the house, you can see we are supposed to have a window somewhere there for the kitchen, and also we have a window for the second bedroom here, and some other areas. So I think in short, so far we are doing well. I don't really complain. There's a few things which I have to admit that have not gone right, but let me explain. So in front of this house, I hope I'm audible enough. In front of this house, we have a pergola which we are going to put here. So it's where you can see where our gutters, the collection is. So all the waters will be flowing here to the tank. So tank, that's not the point of the tank. We'll remove it and place it in a better place, maybe around here where we are going to do that gutter. So here we are going to have a good pergola where we are going to have the cover up where you can sit at daytime, and it's going to be with the shade where you can sit at daytime and doing other things there. So that's also something that we are going to do. So I never wanted to have like another roof on this side, because that was going to increase the cost. So just having a flat roof, the pergola there. So it worked well. So sorry, there's a lot of noise. So you will bear with me, because the work also has to continue. So this is now inside the house. So when I'm facing this side, this is the kitchen. So for the kitchen, we have a kitchen here. We are going to have a window there. We're going to have a window here. Then we are going to have a cabinet running across that, where we are going to have the sink. Sink is going to be where you see where the cup is, where the sink will be. And from this end, we are also having a dining area. We are having a dining. So at some point, I think I will just do the voiceover. So that we have